Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the in-game resolution in Mecha Chameleon. Let's begin by opening the settings menu. From here, select Graphics. Here you can select one of the available presets for resolution. Select the one that looks the best on your monitor. I'll stick with 1920 by 1080. Once you make your choice, then hit Apply Resolution to apply the change. Once that's done, press the back button. And that's about it. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to like, comment and subscribe.